Maximus Dental, established in 2008 and situated at Safdarjung Enclave in South Delhi, is one of the finest and best equipped dental clinics in Delhi. For the last 8 years, Maximus Dental is known for painless and personalized dentistry and is widely referred for the same. Maximus Dental has 6 specialty doctors in its team, ranging from orthodontist, root canal specialist, implantologist, oral surgeon, denture specialist, kids dentist and gum surgeon. Dr. Anurag Gupta is the chief orthodontist and a laser dentist is also part of the implant surgical team. He has worked at the prestigious All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Dr. Nidhi Gupta is the chief root canal specialist and implantologist. She is also a certified cosmetic dentist from New York University College, USA. She is a national award-winning root canal dentist and was the best PG student in the country. Maximus Dental follows the strictest 8-step sterilization protocol of World Health Organization.
Every dental procedure must be pain-free.
Doctors believe in keeping the patients in the dental chair for the shortest possible time and in less number of visits.
Around 3 years ago, I was having too much problem with my teeth, and I had visited 2-3 dentists already and was not satisfied at all with them. Then one of my friends suggested Dr. Anurag and Nidhi Gupta's reference. First of all, I like the atmosphere over here, and both of them are very, very friendly, and I was so much frightened how the procedure will be. But Dr. Nidhi and Dr. Anurag made me understand the whole procedure, and my whole fear was gone.
A lot of technology is being developed around the world in dentistry, and it's important that Indian patients also get the benefits.
Diplomats from various embassies, NRIs and foreign patients prefer Maximus Dental because of its superior hygiene and updated dental technology. Maximus Dental is a favorite dental center for medical tourists who want world-class dental treatment at affordable prices.
We believe in empowering our patients with knowledge so that they can effectively do home dental care.
For adults who have missed dental braces treatment in childhood, which may be due to neglect, poor advice or fear of extraction, Invisible Dental Braces technology brings back hope to have a great, confident smile. Many patients who just come to us in nick of time, with just few months before their marriage, they get a beautiful smile, for a bright smile or a groom smile just in time.
My name is Tanu Mangis. Came in last June. I was not happy with my smile, and I was getting married in November. So I had only 6 months. So I visited lots of doctors in Mumbai and Delhi. When I came to Dr. Anurag, they suggested to go on for invisible lingual braces. That is like inside your mouth. You cannot see that braces. That was a good option. But in a span of 6 months, it was a little difficult. But Dr. Anurag did that, and when I just got married in November, I had a good smile. I'm very satisfied, and now my treatment is going to end in another 1 month. I love my smile now, and lots of people comment me on this smile.
A new tooth with a new root is put directly into bone through a painless procedure. Dental implantation procedure is more smooth and painless than even a dental extraction.
मैं करीब 30 साल से डायबिटिक पेशेंट हूँ और मेरी बाईपास सर्जरी भी हो चुकी है। तो मैंने डॉक्टर साहब से ये डिस्कस किया था कि कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन ना हो जाए, तो उन्होंने मुझे एश्योर किया था कि कोई ऐसी दिक्कत नहीं होगी। तो मुझे इम्प्लांट भी दांत किए और किसी तरह की कोई तकलीफ़ मुझे नहीं हुई।
We do root canal treatment under surgical operating microscope, so it is not blind anymore.
For people who need braces treatment but do not want any fixed or visible braces, Invisalign is the right choice. Invisalign is the best and the only alternative to braces, so they are transparent and they're almost invisible.
You need a bright, white, beautiful smile to complement your face, looks, image, and status in the society. Whether you are getting married or starting a new life, starting a new career, or simply want to rejuvenate your looks, a signature smile makeover is all that you need to be successful.
At Maximus Dental, you're not spending on dental treatment, rather investing in your health and smile. The treatments given at Maximus Dental stand the test of time. To book your appointment, you can log on to www.maximus-dental.com or simply call on 011-4611-0325. You may also text or WhatsApp on 919811 820 325.